Welcome back, cat babes. So I know it has been a hot minute since I've done a video for you guys. Well, it happens. Like I said, it's life. We all have problems, but it is that time of year for prom, and I figured I'd do a little bit of like tips and tricks on what you should take to prom, what you should do before prom, especially if you're a girl. I know when I went to prom, it was very stressful for me. Like, it was fun, don't get me wrong. Like, I had a fucking blast. I went to 3 different ones. Like, I had a blast, do not get me wrong. But I wished I would have known about some of this stuff before I had went, because it would have helped me out. So if you'd like to see what those tips and tricks are, just keep watching. Alright, cat babes. So the first thing is, I don't know where you young ladies live, if any of you live in Arizona, but if you live in Arizona, this bitch is hot. It's like a fucking oven. As of today, we almost hit 100 degrees, so I know a lot of you young ladies, if you're going to prom, even if it's at nighttime, right around 6, 7 o'clock, it is still fucking blazing hot here. So what I would say is, if any of you guys have a tendency to sweat a lot because you get nervous, you do sweat, anything like that, I did find something that does work, but you have to use it the night before, so you can't shave. If you do, you have to wait 15 to 20 minutes before you can use it, but it will stop you from sweating altogether. So it is called Certain Dry. It's clinical strength, like deodorant, but you still have to use deodorant. But you do not sweat when you use this. This is a lifesaver. So if you are prone to getting nervous and sweating, this will be your best fucking friend. Just saying, your best friend. Now, another thing I would say is, if you are going to prom and you want to take a purse, make sure it is tiny. So this one is literally super, super tiny. You don't even need a huge one, because you want to be able to keep it by you so no one rips you off. And yes, girls, it does happen. A couple of the proms I went to, someone stole someone's shoes. So keep your stuff on your person at all times. Now, what I would say to keep in this little glorified small purse, whatever you want to call it, is you want to gum. I know all y'all are going with the date. Gum, because you're going to go out and eat, and you're going to be making out. It happens. You do not want bad breath. Sorry, it's disgusting. Gum. See? It fits right in there. The next thing, even though you use this, take like a small roller ball. This one comes from Victoria's Secret. Just keep like a small little tube of perfume with you, so at any time during the night you want to freshen up and actually smell really good. Damn, this one doesn't want to open. Just go plop it on and you smell good. You don't smell like sweat, because again, if you're in Arizona, you are gonna sweat. It gets hot. I don't care if the AC is on inside, you will get hot. There is a lot of people in a confined space. It gets really hot really, really fast. So, and with the gowns that you guys are going to be wearing, you're going to get a little bit hotter quicker, just because it's heavier, you're moving more, all that. So keep that. See, fits in there. Other thing I would say, keep a setting spray with you at all cost. This is like the smallest one that I know of. It's the matte setting spray by Ulta, because your makeup will move, smudge, if you don't want it to look like 100 times worse after the end of your night, because a lot of people go out to eat after prom as like a post-prom thing, or they go to an after party. Keep this with you. It fits in here, okay? Fits in there. Keep a mirror so that you can check whatever. Don't know, but keep a mirror. Hair tie. Gotta have a hair tie. Just because a lot of you, and I know you're not going to say that you won't do this, but a lot of you will do this, you're going to wear your hair down. 95% of the people that I went to prom with said they weren't going to wear their hair down, and they did, and they got it curled, they got it professionally done. Well, guess what happened? You sweated, and your hair got wet from the moisture, and it went flat. Does not look like it did when you showed up and you got your pictures and hair tie. So at least you can fake it, make it look good after you leave. Hair tie. Next thing, keep your lipstick, whatever one you want. Keep it with you because it's going to come off. Last thing, I don't know if any of you guys are going to do this. I haven't been in school for a while. But this happened like 5 times at my senior prom. And I wished I would have brought one with me. If you can, take a sewing kit with you, because a lot of the girls were doing like the twerking and their dress ripped down the ass. So if you have one of these and that happens to you, you can go in the bathroom, take your dress off really quick, and sew that shit back up, and you're just fine. I'm just saying, if you want to have a safe and pleasant night and not have any issue, this will be your best friend. So, that, ladies, is my tips and tricks for an experienced young lady for prom. Now, my sister did suggest to let you guys know about putting tape on the last 3 toes of your shoes. The only thing that I would say really wouldn't work for that is if you're wearing open-toed shoes, because you're going to see the tape. But it's supposed to help you not get blisters and all of that. But I would say if you're going to wear open-toed shoes and they're brand new, I did this, put the clear, I'm going to like the flesh tone colored Band-Aids on the areas that are going to get blisters. Because at least if you have that protection, you won't get them. Or you could do this as well. Walmart, Walgreens, CVS, any place like that, they have the inserts for your shoes. They're like the gel liners so they don't rub. You can get the ones that go on the back half of your shoe, so like for the heel. And then in the front for like by your big toe. You put them in, and then just make sure that if your shoe, get like a half size bigger. I know this sounds stupid, but if you don't, your feet are going to be killing you and you're going to take your shoes off and it's going to hurt worse after. Just trying to give you a little, because it's true, it will happen. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoy this tutorial. If you'd like to see more tips and tricks videos and personal experience videos, give me a thumbs up, comment, like, and I'll catch you in my next one. Bye, guys.